Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting immediately. Confirm an HDMI 2. 1 cable and plug into the TV HDMI port labeled 2, 1 or 120Hz. On the Xbox, go to Settings, General, TV and Display options, and choose 120Hz and the display resolution you want. This forces the console to output at low latency rates. On the TV, turn on Game Mode or Auto Low Latency Mode and switch off any motion smoothing or post-processing. That's the main source of delay, so remove it now and move to the next step. Once done with basics, dive into advanced settings to eliminate residual lag. Match Xbox output to your TV's native resolution to avoid internal scalar delay. Select 1080p, 1440p, or 4K accordingly. Enable variable refresh rate on both console and TV to sync frames and reduce stutter. Turn off image enhancements such as noise reduction, motion interpolation, and sharpening. Those add processing time. Also make sure HDR and dynamic contrast aren't forcing the TV's processor into heavy post-processing. Keep the signal path as direct as possible. Finish by power cycling everything. Fully shut down the Xbox, unplug the TV and console for 30 seconds, then restart to clear caches. If delay persists, swap HDMI cables and test a different HDMI port labeled 2. 1. If still present, try another TV to isolate whether the issue is the display or the console. Update firmware on both devices. If nothing works, perform a console factory reset only after backing up. And remember the key troubleshooting tip. Test with another TV or cable to quickly identify the faulty component.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.